Let's mix some fondant. Try to guess the color.
Brown. Brown.
No,
It's gonna be brownish.
it's not gonna be brown.
JK, I knew it would be bluey.
I love it.
Pretty sure this one's gonna be purple.
Good guess. Pretty. Goodbye cupcake.
Okay, this one's gonna be brown.
No, it's not.
Yeah, definitely brown.
Does that look brown to you?
Okay, maybe not brown.
It's
red.
salmon.
I mean salmon.
This one's a little crusty law.
You're messing with me if this one isn't brown.
Stop guessing brown.
Fine. Gray.
Not quite.
Looks grayish to me.
Marvelous.
What's this supposed to be? Eggs and chives.
Just hush up and guess a color. And it better not be brown. Peachy.
That one was actually really satisfying to watch. Is this one salmon too?
Now more of a coral.
Gotta go with teal here.
Wait, that's actually a good guess. Such a nice aquamarine. What would you do with these colors?
I cannot believe none of them were brown.